is gonna pour, dude. Whew. Oh my gosh. All right, today in the weather center, we have very windy. It's raining a lot. We have a boat behind us. I don't know what. All right, we're gonna start recording inside. You know who hates this rain way more than I do though? That girl right there. Whew. Okay, now we're good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Zoom. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, no, come on. Time. Okay, it says 13, but by the time I said done to go click it, it was like at 12.60, I think. So let's go. We beat 14. For that, if you have not already, you gotta leave a big thumbs up on this video. Yo! I have not done any sort of POV. I was gonna say POP. What does that even mean? I have not done any PvP. Oh my gosh. I have not done any POV on this channel in forever. And also, I cannot wait to do it on the 300ZX. A lot of you guys are asking me where it is, where's the 300ZX. It's like a couple videos ago, I actually left it at Lucas's shop just for them to like finish up everything instead of me having to take it like every time I go. Just leave it there. Right now they're finishing off masking everything. And then time for hey! What's on the radio, my dude?
This is fame, not go.
Oh my gosh, yo. Oh, the car's smoking. See, like it's raining, but the sun's still out. Like, make up your mind, my dude. Oh, here comes the bridge, my guy. I'm about to be that guy, man. I don't want to be that guy, but I have to be. Yo, I remember my favorite part when I was coming to school every day or every other day. That was my favorite part, just going under that bridge. Oh my gosh. You know, I honestly never thought I would say this, but I kind of miss coming to school. Like, I'm taking class online, but like, physically being in a classroom environment or just in school, I actually miss it. It's kind of weird. Do any of you feel the same way? Like, I kind of want to go back to class. Yikes. Can I make this U-turn though? Can I make it? Damn, look at that house, dude. That's crazy, bro. Can I? Oh. Z-Life! The Turbo Trans Am. Yo, that's so sick. Yo, don't tell me this spot ain't perfect for pictures. Do not tell me Yo, I gotta get down and take a couple pictures actually. I hope nobody's coming. I messed it up by not being in the middle of the road, but still, dude. I tried taking a couple pictures, but I'm gonna have to come back with somebody that actually knows how to work a camera because I'm just a vlogger, dude. But dang, this spot is awesome. Also, while taking that B-roll, I just remembered a lot of you have been asking about the lights. Let's get out of here. I had to send one of the tail lights back to oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm an idiot. I had to send one of the tail lights back to Matt because I accidentally messed the left one up, and that's the one that controls everything. Yeah. So he's pretty much gonna get it fixed, and he's gonna ship it back to me, and then we should be good from there. comment. The car feels impeccable, incredible, amazing. And I got new tires now, so I can actually like kind of do pulls and not feel like I'm just gonna die. All right, this might be the title of the video. I don't even know yet, but we're gonna go home because I really want to show you guys something that you can do for free, and it's gonna give you some HP, boy. 3 horsepower. Who doesn't like that? He put his wet head out the window. Thank you. That's awesome. I wish I recorded, but the kid in that truck just broke his neck. It was worse than the guy before that gave me a thumbs up. This kid, like, that was pretty awesome. It's so cool. This is why being a car guy is awesome. I don't know, when people appreciate it, it's a really good feeling. Is on. You guys heard those little things close up? That's what we're gonna be talking about today. All right, so about not even about 2 years ago, I made this video. Every Nissan 370Z/Z owner needs to know about this. Make your Nissan run better for free. And it was basically a video of me taking apart my throttle bodies, go ahead and cleaning it. And I mean, just look how dirty and disgusting it actually looked. I'm gonna put the clip on the screen right now, so yeah. That is really bad. I actually bought this because they didn't have throttle body cleaner at Walmart. I think this would be fine though. Degreaser and parts cleaner. I sprayed it in there. I'm waiting for it to take out the junk a little bit. Then I'm gonna wipe it down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not really complicated at all. And yeah, it's been a while since I did this. Actually, not really. So before I tuned this car, which was January, I believe this car got tuned in January. I actually did the spark plugs. I did a bunch of maintenance stuff, including cleaning out the throttle bodies. Though it's only been about 6 months, I really want to open up the throttle bodies and just see how dirty they are. And talking about dirty, oh my gosh, that is bad. I'm definitely gonna wipe down the engine bay actually. A lot of people throughout forums have said that after cleaning the throttle bodies, they've noticed the throttle response. Now, if that's true or not, I don't know, but it's definitely a big deal, especially if you haven't done it since you got the car, so. You know what else I'm gonna do? I haven't done it forever. I think it's been like, hold on, I gotta check. Yeah, I have not really emptied out my catch cans in like 8 months. And there's something definitely in there. Yep. Not that much though. Hashtag an A life. Honestly, at this point, I think we're just gonna be an A for the rest of our lives. It shouldn't be too dirty though. It shouldn't. I mean, it shouldn't, but a lot of things shouldn't be a certain way. And they are. 14 mil. You're not already following me on the gram. What you doing, my dude? Look at this. Alright, so the whole point of taking that off was so we have access to all these Allen keys that hold the throttle body to the car. We're gonna have to take off the intake first, so we gotta disconnect it up here, take out this right here, and then we can just move everything out the way. Because there's 4 Allen keys. There's 2 on the top and then 2 on the bottom. So we need an Allen key now. So I'm pretty sure this one's a 3/16. Pretty sure this would work. You gotta be careful we don't strip it. Oh, yep, that's moving. And honestly, if you don't want to go ahead and take everything off, you can pretty much just clean it from here. It's kind of, you're gonna have to like open the flap, so you gotta do it when the car's hot, but you can pretty much just clean it from here. Oh god, that's bad. That's bad. I kind of stripped that one. That one's already stripped actually. And one thing we're not gonna do that I made the mistake in doing the last video is I disconnected the throttle body sensors, which are like right there. Do not disconnect those, because when you connect it back, the car has to like relearn everything, and you have to do like one of those pedal dances just so you can relearn the ECU and It's a pain. Do not disconnect the sensor. That smells like straight up gas. What the heck? Oh, maybe it's W. Alright, for some reason that smells like gas. Or maybe it's just the engine bay, I'm not sure. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's not like extremely dirty. But there is gunk here on the sides, which is completely normal. I mean, I really need an underliner. Look at this. Look at this flimsy thing. So basically how you clean it is, or at least how I normally do it, go ahead and grab an old toothbrush, spray brake cleaner on it, and if you don't want to take off your full throttle body, I just thought about it, just kind of scrub it, but you're gonna have to pull in the flap and then hold it from the top. It gives you enough space or clearance to be able to actually put the toothbrush in there and just kind of scrub things away. Mine's not super dirty. Oh, also, by the way, I'm just gonna leave it in there because I kind of stripped this. I don't want to ruin it, and I don't want to go through the trouble of taking this off. So we're gonna be fine though. We're just gonna clean it up and we should be good. It's not even that dirty, so that's a good thing. Look at that, squeaky clean. Let's go. It doesn't have to be like extremely like clean because it's gonna get gunked back again, but I mean, look at that. Okay, it's like a pretty easy thing you can do on the weekend or you're bored and have nothing to do. Just clean your throttle bodies, my guy. I would say this takes about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe an hour if you're kind of new to just doing things like this. But do not let it scare you. It's not complicated at all. With that said though, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the catch cans because I'm actually wondering if in 8 months, how much blow-by is in there. Ooh, okay. I feel like I'm scientist right now. This one on the right side coming from the right bank actually has, or the left bank, I'm not sure. Either way, it has so much. What? I think it was the same way last time, but check this out. I mean, it's really not that much, which is good. We don't want it to be a lot, or that means the rings are on their way out, but all right, we're chilling. All right. I'm about to start up the car. You might want to run. I know how much you hate it. You might want to run. Yeah, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. If you live in Florida, you know the struggle. It is so hot outside. Either way though, I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely try this out. You're gonna notice a difference. I'm like 90% sure you are. Oh, and definitely if you're gonna do your intakes, just go ahead and clean your throttle bodies. They're already gonna be exposed either way. So peace out. I hope that helped you guys out. If you have not already, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As always, hasta luego. Love you guys. Stay safe out there, and I'm working on sort of big things for the channel. I'm really trying to do something that I've always wanted to do. And we just gotta put content to the next level. Let's go.